All right, so you're gonna take your paper clip that you ground off at an angle. So your takedown pin, you're gonna push it down just a little bit until it breaks free from that detent. You're going to insert until it stops. And then while you're pushing down on the paper clip, push down on your pin. Next thing you want to do is rotate it. This comes out without having to remove your castle nut or your buffer tube. Now let's work on the installation of the device. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to put your upper and pin it on the pivot pin to your lower receiver. And you want to keep this shut. So what I recommend doing is take yourself a piece of tape and you're going to wrap it around. That way it holds things together for you. It makes installation a lot easier. All right, so all I did is I put 2 bands of tape around it just to keep the upper and lower from pivoting open. You don't want this to hit you in the face. I say that because it's happened to me twice putting these buttons in. So let's go ahead and show you how to install it. All right, so I'm gonna use a tiny little screwdriver and I'm gonna come in from the left-hand side and I'm gonna push down on that pin and it's gonna enable me to install this button. So let's see how this happens. You only just need to push it down just enough. Let's go ahead and zoom in for you real quick. All right, see, push that down, take your pin, now let's go over to the other side. All right, so we have the gun turned around. Let's go ahead and install this other button. You're gonna take this, you're going to install it, push it all the way in. Then take the gun, turn it around. You have your bar and your spring. So what you're going to do is take this, gently insert it, and with your other finger, push down on the button, hold it in place, and you're gonna rotate this. You're gonna rotate this bar into the other piece because it's threaded. Now, I do not recommend using Loctite on here. Some of you may want to do that, but I advise that you not do that. Only because if you're going to take this gun apart to clean it, how are you going to get the button off if you have it Loctited? So what I find works really good is just a drop of Elmer's school glue. I know it doesn't seem like much, but it's enough to hold the button into place with the bar. But outside of this, I'll go ahead and take this tape off real quick and show you that this button is in fact properly installed. All right, now that I have this button installed, let's go ahead and test things out. You're gonna push it. See how your upper and lower crack open? Now my magazine release works. Once you put your magazine in, you don't have to push or pull anything. All you have to do is just simply push down on it. It will automatically lock your lower to the upper. Go pull your charging handle back and you've just chambered a new round.